That is the stupidest thing you ever did. What the poo?
What?
You never turned on the microphone. What are we gonna do now? We might do the thing all over again, since you forgot that. Oh, I guess I'm drinking more. I love Orange Crush. Is it recording? Microphone on?
Yes, the microphone's on.
Good. Just to say, I did the whole speaking part again. I said that because I did the video. We went all through, and my dad said he forgot to turn the microphone on. Can't do anything about that, but now we're doing it again. Hi guys, my name is The Bug, and that's Daddy behind the camera. And today we're gonna get hyper on some Orange Crush. Fill it all the way up to the top. Yeah. Just trying to put that extra. I love Orange Crush. Okay, as we drink. Oh no, what do I say? I should say, it's the funnest video I've ever done. And today we're going to be talking about a garden that we planted over the weekend because we don't have any school because of this virus that's going around. We planted some seeds and we builded a garden bed. If you don't know what it is, we'll show you after we're done with this. So if you want to know how to make plants, I'll tell you. First you gotta get some seeds, and then when you get home, take them out, put them in your hand. If they're big, then you just take them out and just put one in because they're big. And if they're tiny, you put like 3, 4 in. Because they're super tiny, you cover them with dirt. You take like these paper things, whatever they're called, and you write like lettuce, spinach, whatever you planted, and then you have to stick them in the dirt so you know what you planted. Because you can't just read them off the plant. Like they go to a tattoo shop and they're like, oh yeah, I want a tattoo right on my head. Where was I? So yeah, after you're done putting the paper things into the dirt, you have to put them under like a sunlight or something to cause we have a timer, shut them off automatically and turn them on automatically. When they're all almost big, you take them out and you put them in the garden bed, because that you have to build outside so it grows bigger. So you have to build archways, so because there's all different fruits that have to climb. Squash, cucumbers, tomatoes, some fruits and vegetables. And then when you put them in the garden bed, you have to put water into them. If you put too much, the plant will curl down, and then that's bad. And then when you're done putting the water in, they just grow. And when you can see the plants that growed, and the freshest fruit vegetable that you can get is when you grow a garden. If you grow grapes, you can just do that. You guys want to see the plants that we did and the garden bed? Okay, cool. Let's go. Mario, this way. So here is the plants that we've grown. And here's avocado pit. those take for so long. And here's the second batch that we made. As you can see, if you kind of see right about there, there's a green stem, and there's a bunch of green of them. And that one, as you can see right there, is the biggest one in this whole entire batch. Summer squash, red pepper, zucchini, tomato, yellow squash, and strawberries are the ones that can't grow because Daddy just took a strawberry and cut part of it off and put it in the thing. And hang on, basil, spinach, cucumber, oregano, onion, lettuce, rosemary, broccoli, parsley, spearmint, and last one is Brussels sprouts. So, as you can see here, we have a garden bed. As I said inside, you have to, when the plants are done growing inside, when they're like kind of big, you have to put them in the garden bed because it is outside. And you have to build archways so stuff can grow on it and stuff. And I'll let my dad roam around so you guys can see. And right there, we have flowers growing, and it's from the people that lived here when we first moved in. There's just big grass, not like this grass that like grows in your yard. There's like tall grass with flowers in it, and there's just tall grass. So this is a DIY channel. If you want to see how we made this garden bed, we will make one in the next video. If you might want to comment down below. We have a bunch, like we have 3 squashes and we have no more. What makes 3 is 0, 30. We have 30 squashes. So, and our mom said we have to probably get rid of some, and we have a lot of plants, so we have to build a lot. Leave a comment down below if you want to see us build one of a garden bed. See you in the next video. Bye.
Okay, today's video is sponsored by homeschooling and day drinking. Say it.
No.
Say it. Say it.
No.
Say it.
No.
You have to say it.
No.
Say it. As soon as you're done drinking that, take the cup down from your face and say it.
No.
Say it. Say it.
No.
You have to say it.